or the precise movement, we can reduce the chatter. Next, we have the force vibration or machine tone. On the figure, it shows the vibration spectrum of the phase milling operation. It is define of force vibration. Force vibration occurs due to external disturbance acting on the machine tool or cutting process. These vibrations are not self-excited but are caused by periodic or random forces, which means there are other forces that interact with the machine. Source of force vibration imbalance in rotating part such as spindle and motors. Next, we have the periodic cutting forces during milling or interrupt cutting. And also, we have the external disturbance from nearby machine. This effect on machining accuracy, force vibration cause dimension error and surface waviness. Accuracy or of the machine component is reduced. So there is still other forces that interact with the machine, such as the rotating part that can make the machine more unstable. Even uh, other machine can make or the machine more unstable because the vibration itself can be felt through the machine, and it may cause the accuracy of the machine component to be reduced, which means if we are cutting some, or we have a precise component that we need to do, we have to use that machine, only that machine, or turn off other machines so that we don't have any other force, that any other vibrations, source of vibration that can reduce our component accuracy. Next, we have source of force variation and cutting. Variable chip thickness due to intermittent operation like milling and broaching. The wave formation left from the previous tool pass. The wave is just like a wave. You have up and down, just like a normal wave. And then we have the eccentricity of the workpiece, creating periodic chip vibration. Entry and exit impact when the tool engage or disengage the material. The entry or exit is which mean the when the tool touch the material. When both of them touch, there is going to be more vibration because it's going to be the first pass through the workpiece. Next, we have the cutting speed fluctuation, especially during facing or turning operation. When facing or turning, we know that there is going to be heat force involved, and also it's going to reduce the cutting speed. And when we increase the cutting speed, it's also going to make a little bit of vibration. Next, we have the feed direction of changes, altering tool geometry and kinetic angle. So when the machine, as an example, when it goes straight, but we suddenly we code the machine to turn right, the sudden changes of direction may alter the tool geometry, and sorry, may increase the accuracy of the workpiece. And as for the conclusion, machining quality and productivity are influenced by machine dynamic and also the cutting process. The key factor include machine stiffness and process parameter selection. Request analysis and stability modeling are used to to predict and control vibration. The chatter vibration is the most critical source of machining instability, and we have to be minimized so that we can increase the accuracy and also to increase the productivity. The modern analytic method improve accuracy, machine performance, and tool life. That's all for me. Thank you so much.
Okay, Daniel, I want to ask you 3 questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay, listen carefully. Okay, question number one. Okay, explain the effect of excessive vibration on machining quality.
As,
Explain the effect of excessive vibration
oh,
on machine quality.
okay. To answer your question, sir, the excess vibration is mean every machine has a vibration, but it is limited and also controlled. But when the vibration increases, the such as the rotation of the machine also increases, or the tool also increases, that can alter the accuracy, such as by as much as 0.05 millimeter or less. But still, the sudden changes of the accuracy may affect the final accuracy of the workpiece.
Okay, that is the effect. Can you
So
give me three? Can you give me 3 effects?
the three effect of vibration, excessive vibration,
Yeah, excessive vibration.
and the excessive vibration. First, the final product will gonna have different size because the vibration, such as when we are milling or any other workpiece, the final size we're gonna change that first. Second, it can make our productivity decrease because some of the product may not pass quality control because of the size changes. And third, as shown, an extra vibration can make the final finish may waviness even though the part, the sizes is same, but the final finish is not satisfying.
How about
That
the machine life?
the machine life itself also can be
Yeah,
decreased. The machine life will decreases because the
and then
excessive sorry sir,
the toolware.
the machine life,
Yeah, the toolware.
the toolware.
Toolware.
Okay,
Uh,
the tool
what is the effect of the toolware?
or the effect of the toolware is it can the main effect is that it can uh decrease the accuracy because the dimension of the tool itself gonna be changed, gonna change, and yeah, it won't be sufficient enough to cut the workpiece.
Okay, all right. So next question. Okay, what cause of vibration in machine tools?
What the main
What what causes of vibration in machine tools?
okay,
Apa yang
the
menyebabkan vibration?
the causes of vibration is mainly through the spinning motion of a motor. If the machine have a motor, the motor itself gonna spin and make the vibration. And also, when cutting the workpiece, it's gonna have a vibration because of the friction between the tool and the workpiece. So we
How
have
about
two
bearing?
answers. Sorry, sir?
How about bearing? How about bearing?
Bearing. The bearing, if is also if we are using bearing, it can also reduce the vibration because it help to smooth the operation.
If the battery is out, it can cause the vibration.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
If okay,
understand?
sir. Understand, sir.
If the bearing one out,
Uh, if the
and it
bearing
also it
one,
also can.
if the bearing one, it can
Okay, and
cause the
then
vibration.
uh, about the misalignment.
Okay. The misalignment is causes by it can cause extra vibration because if it's a spindle, the spindle gonna vibrate more because it is not aligned with the hole or bearing, which also can worn out the bearing and make more vibration.
Okay, question number 2, the last question. Okay, define chatter vibration. What
Fine.
is chatter vibration?
Okay. The charter vibration itself is known as the vibration that happen during the process or making the workpiece itself that can affect the final product such as the accuracy of the product. It is caused by the vibration during the machining and also the other sources such as the rotating forces or any other forces that
Okay, so that's all. That's all the question.
is
All right. So you can send your what, or you can send your report to WhatsApp, okay?
okay, sir.
And then combine your video, right? Combine the video with the other two members,
Okay, sir.
and then upload into the YouTube.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay,
So
all right.
I
So
will
that's
stop
all.
sharing. Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. So, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.